Right, we're back again. Today with the car, Darren's going to take the car back and paint it again. The paint's turned up to do the painting. So there's a few things we want to do before we race the other day, and once the trailer played up, it sort of got put aside. So we'll finish a few little things off today, and then the car will be off to get painted, and next time we'll put some stickers on it. First one to do, take the bolt out, put our toe strap back on there. So we'll get that done and patch this up to it at some stage. Get some more rivets coming. Do that next week. There we go, we've got our toe strap back on. We'll just tuck it up in the bolt bar, keep it out of the way. Something like that. Right, next thing is in the dashboard here. There used to be a switch you could turn the dashboard lights off when you weren't using it. But the main curve's on, so we'll put that switch back in the dashboard. Just to make it a bit more convenient. Yeah, it's right, there's the hole where the switch used to be, so we'll just cut that with the Sterling knife on here somewhere. I thought I had it, yeah, there it is. And then under here somewhere is a wire with a fuse attached. There's a little light in here, make it a bit easier. Let's see what we can find. That's the main power feed for these gauges and stuff. So what we're going to do then, we're just going to tap this switch into that wire, and yeah, it's just when you turn the power on, all these gauges stay lit up all the time. Like you turn this one off, that goes out, but it's just something that annoys me, but doesn't annoy anybody else. So we'll put the switch back in to make that work like it used to. As always, it's not that straightforward to find. It's right there, that's right over here, so I'm just gonna cut it there. Switch now, we'll put it back over there, but we're going to cut it there, run two wires over to there and back to there, and it'll make it work. So we're going to fire out the soldering iron, find some nice heavy duty wire like that, and get it done. Right, there's our switch. I've got to find a little nut that goes there in there. I'll put it somewhere safe in here. We'll find it in a second, but now, hit that, and it comes on. Don't know what pressure light isn't coming on. That's another story. Right. Anyhow, we'll just check that out. It was working earlier. But, oh, there we go, that's put away. Something's coming out of there. Right, we'll sort that out and we're back. All that happened was the wire that's coming back there, we had to drill the rivets out to get this out to do it. But now, when we turn the power on, our oil pressure light comes on again, so we'll rivet that back in and put the other globe in, put the cover back on, and that is done, that part of it. So there we go, we've got our light back in, we've got a switch put back in, turn that off there, yeah, so as far as that's all done, we're just going to quickly check out the front end, we'll show you something with that, and then we'll put the bonnet on, clean up a bit, ready for Darren to take it tomorrow to paint it. Check today is, we're just going to quickly check the front end geometry, if it's towing in, towing out. It should be towing out, it looks like it is, but we're just going to get tape measure, give it a check. This is only a two-person job, but I think I figured a way to do it myself previously, so we'll give it a go and have a quick look. If it is towing in, we might get a second person to come help us fix it out later on, but for now we'll just do it this way and have a look. So what you normally do, you just hold a bit of wood against the wheel somewhere like that, at random height. We get two people, one person hold the wood, one person hold this end of tape. Then we go around the other side and hold a piece of wood about the same height. And we just measure how far that is and how far that's going to be. There should be about an inch difference, so we'll suss it out, and then that might be a, see if we can rope in and sort out if we've got any issues. This is a bit of a do-it-yourself job anyone can try at home to see how the tow out's looking on their cars. Blank here our knee, about this height. We've got about, what we call that, 18, 15. So we'll move our tape at the front and see what we've got at the front. Right, appearance is going to be deceptive. This side we've got about 18.09, so we're going to have to Just wind that out a little bit. Just get a little bit of tow out into it. Make it a bit easier to drive. But we'll get that done. Oh, there we go. We're nearly out of battery and it's dinner time, so we've got that stuff done today. We've got the switch back up in the dashboard, got the tail hook back on. We fixed the oil pressure light at a loose connection and checked the tow out, which is we're going to have to adjust once you get the car back. And yeah, tied it up, got the bonnet back on, it's ready to go. So yeah, next time you see the car, it'll be nice and glossy, and we'll get the signs on it, fix that tow out a bit, might change that right front tyre, and I think we're nearly ready to go. Anyhow, that's it for today. It's been a quick one today, but as always, there's a couple of fairly things we had to get done, but they're done now. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, whatever, and we'll see you next time.